Connecting Calendly to HubSpot allows for streamlined appointment scheduling and lead management. Here's a step-by-step guide to integrate the two platforms. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. If you don't have an account, create one. Access integrations. In your Calendly dashboard, click on your account icon in the upper right corner and select integrations from the drop-down menu. Select HubSpot. Scroll through the integrations list until you find HubSpot. Click on it to access the integration options. Connect Calendly to HubSpot. Click on the Connect button. You'll be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. After entering your credentials, grant Calendly permission to access your HubSpot data. Set up integration settings. Once connected, you can configure the integration settings, such as syncing events, adding invitees to specific HubSpot lists, and tracking meetings. Test the integration. After setup, test the connection by scheduling a test meeting via Calendly. Check HubSpot to ensure the meeting and invitee information appear correctly.